Now we will start from a scratch, that is nothing but creating a team. How to create a team? For example, you would like to add up someone to the your team. How to create a team? We have to go to here on right hand side once it is open. Okay, if it is not open, then you will be there here. If you are here, okay, then what we have to do? We have to select to some boards here. If you are in a home tab, here it will be, okay, it will look like this. Then you can say here on plus mark. If you click on that plus mark, you can create a team here. You can create a team. You can give the name for the your team. For example, you can say that like this. You can give some name, then which department they are. For example, they are into a sales, so sales department. Then we can give this some description about the team, what are the activities they need to do. Like this we can give the description. We are here to discuss. Like this we can give the description and continue. Once you have been created a team, then we have to invite a members. Okay, how to invite a members? We have to invite a members by using a email address. For example, we'll use a your teammate. Okay, email address you have to take, and you have to say here, keep writing their email address, whom you would like to join with your team, to whom you would like to invite. Select and invite to team. You have to send them so that once they have been gone through their Gmail account or their mail account, once they have been accepted the your request, your team members will be shown here. Okay, like this we can create a team in a Trello. A specific team you can create. Similarly, we can create a boards also. Okay, we can boards are nothing but a particular task. Okay, particular task or category of the task, or the team members should be there. In the sense that particular board is nothing but like a board of meeting, or how you will do, right? Like some members will be there. It will be shared all the information regarding with that particular members. So how to create a board? Again, we have to select here plus mark and say create board. Okay, once you have been creating a board here, you can say add bold title. For example, we say that sales activity. That is a bold here. We can take any of the image or any of the things here, and you can invite here teams. Okay, you can invite a team. Which are the teams you would like to invite? If you like to invite also marketing team also, you have been constructed a marketing team. Those team members also can join this particular board. Okay, then say create board, so that your board has been created. Okay, board has been created, and here you can see who are all the team members. Okay, if you like to change the team anytime to your board, you can change here, or view the team page, you can view them. Okay, and if you like to change the team visibility, like everyone need to be seen whatever the things you have been done, or only the private, only board members can see the what are the things they have been done, and they can only edit anything. Okay, like this we can manage the board. In once you have been created a board, we can start doing the activities within a board. For example, you can start adding a cards here. Cards are nothing but the activities. Like I will say meeting. Okay, then add card. Okay, then again I am saying that meetings. Then we will say that um, sales report. Okay, within sales report, if you like to add any of the members for a sales report, you would like to add a member, then you can add a member here. Okay, that particular member you can add. You can add a multiple members are there. You can add a multiple members. Okay, again, if you like to edit that one, you can edit like edit the labels. Okay, or change the members, or if you like to move to the any of the side, if you like to copy that card, copy, or delete this one by using achieve, you can delete. Okay, and you can create a due date here by using a due date. For example, sales report should be submitted by tomorrow. Okay, and if you like to edit the label here, for example, I will say it should be very priority, so red, in the sense urgent. Like this we can create a bold, like here sales report to be submitted by 10th of the October, and these are the team members involved in that. Okay, so we can see the anytime. If you click on that, you'll get to know about a due date, the urgency, and members. Okay, description you can write it here. Okay, and any comments you would like to write, you can write a comment here with high priority. Okay, like this same, so that what will happen, everyone can communicate here itself, and they can get the due date here. Okay, and here you can add some other members also. You can change the labels also anytime. You can make it as a checklist. For example, within a sales report, you would like to add some of the activities, sub activities, then we'll use a checklist. We can say checklist like a, we can say one is about a monthly sales, add. Okay, like this here, the monthly sales, you can keep adding a checklist here, like weekly sales, add. Okay, like this we can keep adding a checklist. Okay, we can keep adding a checklist like this. If it is completed, we can say like this. Okay, in monthly sales, what are the things to be done? Again, I add an item like daily conversion. Like this we can add a different activities. Okay, we can add a different activities here itself. Okay, so you will be having a better control. You can attach some of the files. If you like to change the cover page of this particular thing, you can change that one. Okay, and some actions like moving to the other folders, or copy, or make as a template, or watch, change, or share with the team member. This is the way we can create a activities and manage the activities in a sales board.